Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a super rapid hair growth video because my hair grew about, no, let me quit, because y'all already know from the title that this is a wig. It's from a company that I've worked with before. I've had their clip-ins, I've had their U-part wig, and now they offer full lace wigs, and it is from HerGivenHair. Usually when I work with HerGivenHair, I get the coily texture because it's the closest to my actual texture. But this time I wanted to go ahead and try the curly texture, and I love it. I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys the details of this unit. And like I said, they now offer full lace wigs. For those of you who don't want to have to bother with clip-ins, you don't want to have to leave any of your hair out, with a U-part wig, they offer full lace units. Now it came in their holiday box, which looks like this, and it says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And in the inside of the box it had this first pamphlet, and it just basically tells you how to wash it before you install it. So there's step-by-step instructions, and then it has after installation daily maintenance, washing your extensions, and important tips. And they also have the recommended products that you should use for the texture that you have. So for this texture, which is curly, they recommend that you co-wash with the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask and use a Denman brush and Drit Spray Check. I don't know what that is. And then daily maintenance is Kinky Curly Not Today, Obi and Natural Hair Care Curl Enhancing Custard, and a Denman brush. So yeah, they have all the best products that you should use for your extensions in this pamphlet. And it also, which is new, comes with this texture sample book. So, wow, I didn't even see that at first. It has a tape measure right here so you can measure your head for your cap size. And then in the inside, it starts with the hair types. It shows you the hair types and all that. And then once you open it, they actually have samples of the hair textures that they have. They have the kinky 16-inch, the coily 16-inch, curly 16-inch, and they have the kinky blowout in an 8-inch. So yes, you can get this because, I mean, a lot of people want to blend it with their hair, so they want to use the best texture that's close to their hair. So this is the best way to do that, and I really like that idea. I like it. I like it a lot. It tells you how to blend, tests that you can do on the hair samples, all kind of stuff. You can do heat tests, burn tests, color tests, all that. So that came in there. The wig came in a net as well as in a plastic bag. And inside another little plastic bag, it had a bag with some wig clips in it, as well as some wig combs if you need to add extra combs. And it also came with a strap. So, you know, a lot of people don't use the combs or clips that come with their wigs. They sew the straps onto their units. And the one that I made, I did that. And I'm also going to sew a strap onto this one as well. So, but I didn't use any clips in this today. I didn't. The only clip I used was the one in the back. And that was it. Other than that, it's laying on my head. And I did attempt to glue it down with the got to be glued situation. Fail. Okay, we're just gonna leave it at that. It was a fail. But I don't plan on trying to glue it down or having it glued down in the future. Today I just felt a little adventurous and decided, hey, let's try it, and it didn't work, so I won't be doing it again. I'm just gonna sew my strap on the back and go on by my business because it holds it down so well. And like I said, this is the curly texture. It is an 18-inch, and I did cut it a little bit, and I'm going to go in and cut it some more because I want another one that sits like a little above my shoulders, kind of almost like a curly bob. I want it to be like that. So I am going to go in and cut this one some more. But yeah, and I did attempt to color it, and I attempted to color it with the Cream of Nature box dye because I'm no scientist when it comes to using developer and all that other stuff. So I attempted to do it with the box dye, and it didn't really take, but I do know that like with colors like that, you have to lift the color first, so you basically have to bleach it first to get like a real intense color. You can kind of see it in person, and in like the sunlight you can see the color. It shows, but as far as just looking at it right now, you would never know that I did it. So yeah, but that's all good because I will be trying it again, because you know, like sometimes you want to experiment with different colors. Like the color that I did on this hair, I would never do in my own hair. So it's really nice to experiment on wigs with color without damaging your own hair or, you know, regretting it. So yeah, I will be trying to dye it again with another box dye, but you'll see. So yeah, and the cap size, I honestly don't know what the cap size is, but the cap fits perfectly, and y'all know that does not happen often for me. So this cap fits perfectly. The hair is very lightweight. It was easy to detangle, easy to co-wash, and it's so soft. That's one thing I love about HerGivenHair, is that their hair is very soft. It's not heavy to where it's weighing your head down and you can barely lift your head up. The hair is very lightweight. It was easy to detangle, co-wash, all that. And all I did was go in and define it with some of the Mielle honey and ginger gel, the Mielle Organics honey and ginger gel, and brush through with a Denman brush, and that's it. And I did diffuse it a little bit just because I didn't want to wait for it to dry so I could do this video, because I wanted to put it on. I was excited to put it on. So this is what it looks like. It had a pre-plucked hairline, which is super nice. Like you can hardly like, look at my scalp, y'all. I didn't even go in with any concealer because to me it looks really good. But like as far as over here, like I said, I attempted to glue it down. So yeah, you can't really see the pre-plucked edges on this side because I failed at gluing it down. But I'm not doing that no more. So when I do sew my band on there, y'all will see, because I will be wearing this. Because like I said, I'm going to cut it into a cute little curly bob type situation. So y'all gonna be seeing this a lot on my social media, so do not be alarmed. I did not cut my hair. It is the HerGivenHair curly full lace wig. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.